Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to get a custom Discord activity on your profile. A custom Discord activity lets you display your own text, like a game name or status instead of the default playing a game message. Step 1. Open Discord on your PC and click the user settings icon, the gear icon next to your username. Step 2. Scroll down and select Activity Privacy or Registered Games from the settings menu. Step 3. Make sure the option Display Current Activity as a Status Message is turned on. Step 4. Scroll to the bottom and click Add It. Then choose any application or program running on your PC. Step 5. Rename the added application to whatever custom activity name you want, and it will appear as your Discord activity. That's it. You've successfully set a custom activity on Discord. Thanks for watching PC Error Detective, and see you in the next video.